Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 23rd April 2024. In this video, let us find the stocks near demand and supply zones. We will also find daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones. And also at the end of the report, we will also generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. Even before the generation of these reports, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available in a playlist supply demand zone price action course at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I also provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. If you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation. And let's start finding the stocks near yearly time frame. Mostly you don't find stocks near yearly and half yearly time frame, but anyway we will verify. So I am selecting the time frame as yearly time frame, and let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. No stocks are available. So let me go back. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly supply zone. No stocks are available. I am going back, changing the time frame to half yearly. Let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. Oh, one stock is filtered, which is near to the half yearly demand zone. I'll be giving you only few seconds time and move on to the next report. So you need to pause the video and you have to study all these parameters. If required, using leg in, base and leg out timestamps, you can also draw the zones on your charts. In case if you are not aware of this report structure, please listen the training lesson 21.1. There I have explained each and every column and each and every parameter and their abbreviations in detail. I also explained how to draw zone in the charts by taking this leg in and leg out timestamps along with the base candle count. So I am going back for the generation of the next report. Okay, for half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. So one stock is available near half yearly supply zone. But remember, this is a P/E supply zone. Okay, I am going back, changing the time frame to quarterly. Let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So these three stocks are filtered near to the quarterly demand zone. That means prices are nearing to the quarterly demand zone. So I am going back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So two stocks are filtered, which are near to the quarterly supply zone. So I am going back, changing the time frame to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So 7 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. So these 3 stocks are near monthly supply zone. So I am going back, changing the time frame to weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. So these 4 stocks are near to the weekly demand zone. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. So these 10 stocks are near weekly supply zone. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So these 9 stocks are filtered. So we need to identify high liquidity daily demand zones from this list. So we have Dr. Reddy is a high liquidity demand zone, which is already tested once, and 2 rejections from this zone. So you need to fine tune this zone to identify a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone. Next, Gujarat Gas Limited is a high liquidity zone. Already we fine tuned. Today HLQ analysis I already explained how I fine tuned this zone. And next one more HDFC Bank. Even HDFC Bank I explained in today's analysis, HLQ analysis video. So you know the fine-tuned zones of Gujarat Gas Limited and HDFC Bank. Dr. Reddy, I don't know whether previously we discussed about this zone because it is already tested once. Okay, these are the 3 high liquidity demand zones we identified from this report. So let me go back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. So these 7 stocks are filtered. Let us find the high liquidity supply zones from this list. Stocks near high liquidity supply zones. We have LIC Housing Finance. It is a fresh zone. You need to fine tune this zone. We have Navin Fluorine. Already tested once and 2 rejections from this zone. Have we discussed this stock in one of earlier HLQ analysis videos? In case if we discussed, you will be having the fine-tuned zone details. And you have one more Polycab, already tested once. And we have one more Sun TV, already tested 5 times. I'm sure some of these zones we have already discussed. And Sun TV is having both high liquidity demand zone as well as a high liquidity supply zone. But anyway, in this we are looking for high liquidity supply zones. Sun TV is working perfectly. 5 times it is tested this zone. Demand zone is tested 3 times. So prices are moving within this range. Okay, these are the high liquidity supply zones. How many we identified? This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. We have identified 4 high liquidity supply zones from this list. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So these 8 stocks are filtered. So going back, I'm changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. These 8 stocks are filtered. Now we need to identify high liquidity 75 minutes demand zone from this list. No, we don't have any high liquidity demand zones from this list. We have only one high liquidity, but it is a low priority. We don't apply our strategy. See, you can use trade, but the problem is there is no guarantee that you get 80% success rate for low priority high liquidity zones. See, already this zone gave 2 rejections. But anyway, our focus is on high priority, high liquidity zones, as we discussed in lesson 21. If you are not aware of high liquidity zone strategy, please look into lesson 21. So let me go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. So 6 stocks are filtered. We need to identify high liquidity supply zones from this list. Seems we don't have any high liquidity supply zones. Okay, from 75 minutes time frame, we don't have any high liquidity demand zones and also high liquidity supply zones. So in today we have only daily time frame, high liquidity demand zones and supply zones. I think 3 high liquidity demand zones for 4 high liquidity supply zones are identified from daily time frame. Okay, this is about high liquidity zones. Now let's go back, changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. Let me go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. These 7 stocks are filtered. I am going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. I am going back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. So let me go back, changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. I am going back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So these 10 stocks are filtered. So these are the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. Now the last report, let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So this is the daily ATR. All these are all stop buffers. Here we have a daily ATR value. This is for the 15% ATR daily time frame, 10% ATR for 125 minutes or 75 minutes time frame. 5% ATR is for 15 minutes time frame or 25 minutes time frame, and 3% ATR is for 5 minutes time frame. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but they are picked up from F&O list. So I keep on scrolling this list down. I'll be giving you only a few seconds time and move on to the next page. If you want to refer any of your stock, please pause the video. Okay, I'm scrolling down. So this is the end of the report. Hope the information in this report will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.